Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this demo I will show you that how to link any text and value with the shape, right? Shape or picture. So in this example, let's take an example. We have some date and time values over here. I have used now function, okay? Then go to the insert and we have shapes over here. Just choose any one of them. Let's suppose this is my shape, right? I want to print this number on this shape. So first up, what will you have to do in order to do that? Simply right click over here, then click on edit text, then go to this formula bar, click just press is equal to sign, then select this image and then press OK. Once you will do that, then you can see that the whatever the text we have in this particular cell, it will automatically come to the picture. Then we can just change the formatting as well. If I'll increase the width of this alignment, I will change the alignment. And if I want to change the picture, so you can see that I have just changed the I have just linked this value with the text field. I have linked with this particular value with this shape. Same manner we can use the string values as well. So let's suppose this is my shape and I have type here, let's hello world. I will simply type here hello world. And if I want to just link it with this one, simply right click over here, click on text, simply press is equal to sign, select this image, okay. Then you can see that hello world is here. I will increase the size of hello world, change the alignment, and if I want to change the format, then you can go to the format cell as well, and you can whatever the shapes and format you like, you can use it. And you can use all these options, right? Like text outline, text effect, rotate, and this way you can also use it. And let's suppose I will change something over here. I will type here my this is September. So if you will increase the size of this shape, then you can see that the whatever the text I have written over here, then automatically it is reflecting over here, right? And in this example, if I'll press F9, it is right now 23:25. If I press F, so you can see that automatically the time has been changed. It means that these shapes are linked with this cell value. So whatever we will type here, then automatically it will reflect over here in this shape, right? So you can use this shape when you are just creating any dashboard, and if there is any important information which you want to highlight, but you think that it is not visible in any particular cell, then you can use these shapes and you can link that particular value with the shape, and you can just format it, and you can just present in a very good manner, right? I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.